Hello all. Today I am going to unbox this trifold folding mattress with memory foam. This mattress comes in this giant Amazon box, and after unboxing this you can see a rolled up and a compressed mattress. So let's open this. Wow. And it's a bit heavy as well, so you may use 1 or 2 weeks to unbox this. So the entire mattress is neatly folded and rolled up in this plastic bag. And this is, I'm trying to find where to open this from. Rolling it. Probably this is where I can open it from. I guess I may have to use this plate, paper cutter, to open this. So and I have to be careful so that I don't cut the mattress by mistake here. Okay, so this is open now. Let me remove the packaging. And this looks like, so it looks like pretty large and overall soft as well. And these are 3 tiers here actually. I may have to open it from this side too. And here it is. So this is our mattress, and it has 3 layers. So you can see 1, 2 and a 3 layer. So it's very easy to fold as well. So as per the instructions, it may take 24 to 48 hours for this mattress to completely get back to its shape, since it is vacuum packed originally. It looks large but overall very soft and has a foldable design, which we saw earlier, which makes it portable, easy to fold and put away. And when laid out, this makes it possible to fit a large mattress in a small space such as closet, car, or even a tent too. This memory comes foam mattress also comes with a washable bamboo cover. So as you can see, this is the washable cover inside which we have the mattress. This zippered washable cover is detachable, and being machine washable, you get to keep it for the longer use. Overall, this mattress is great, very thick, soft and comfy, and firm enough so that you don't sink it in the floor. It's easy to clean up as well, given that it has a removable cover. And it can be best suited for RVs, traveling, camping trips, people with limited storage spaces, and overnight guests. I can even fit it in a small sedan car as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video.